Hi friends, welcome to Naiwik Tech. In this video, I will be showing you the unboxing of Realme 9 Pro. This is the retail sales package of Realme 9 Pro. I bought it from Flipkart for approximately 15,999. And this is how the retail sales package of Realme 9 Pro looks. Here you can see the branding 9 Pro 5G. And at the sides also you can see the Realme 9 Pro 5G branding. And coming to the back, the important specifications of Realme 9 Pro are mentioned, such as it is powered by Snapdragon 695 5G processor, and it has 120Hz ultra smooth display and 64 megapixel nightscape camera and massive 5000 mAh battery. And coming to the color, I have ordered the Aurora green color. And coming to the price mentioned on the box is 21,999. I bought it for 15,999 using the HDFC card offer. You will get 2,000 discount. And coming to the variant, I have ordered the 6GB 128GB variant. 8GB variant is also available, but I feel for 16,000 6GB variant is good. And without wasting any time, let's remove the phone from the box. First, let's remove the seal. Okay, now let's open the phone. On opening the box, you can see that a great story since the first lip, Realme. As usual, you will get this small box on the top. Inside the box, you will get a transparent case for your phone and a SIM ejector tool pin and the manuals. Let's keep all these things aside. Now let's remove the phone from the box. Here is the Aurora green color. Out of the three, I like this color, so I bought this one. The back looks too good. Let's keep the phone aside. And inside we have 33 watts travel adapter, and also you have the cable. It is type C to USB type A. Let's remove the sticker. Now let's try to power on the device. On startup, you can see the Realme branding, powered by Android. I will go through the setup process quickly. And during the setup process, you have the option to set up the fingerprint scanner. I would like to set up the fingerprint. Click on next and select the password type. I would like to select pattern. Place your finger. Click on done. And here you can see the message, welcome Realme UI. Click on get started. This is how the user interface of Realme 9 Pro looks. Let's open the settings and check the version of Android. Scroll down and click on about device. And under about device, here you can see the version of Android. It is Android 12 out of the box. And coming to the Realme UI version, it is 3.0. And coming to the storage, out of 128GB, 22.4GB has been used out of the box. Since Realme 9 Pro supports a 120Hz refresh rate, let's try to set 120Hz as a refresh rate. Open settings again and click on display and brightness. Under display and brightness, you need to select screen refresh rate. By default, it is auto. You need to select high. Once you select high, now the refresh rate is set to 120Hz. You will have smooth animations or you can have smooth gameplay. But when you set your phone to 120Hz, the battery will drain. Now let's open the camera and let's take few sample shots. Let's open the camera app and accept the terms and conditions. Click on allow. Allow while using the app. Let's take a photo. Let's take a wide angle shot. It is ultra wide. Now it is macro. Let's try to take a photo using front facing camera. And here you can see that HDR is turned on. Let's try to take a photo. Let's turn off the filter and let's take a photo. Now let's look at the photos we have taken under artificial lighting. These are some of the photos I have taken using artificial lighting. Now let's look at the physical overview of the phone. This phone has a 6.6-inch Full HD plus LCD display and it has a 16 megapixel front facing camera. And coming to the top, it has a secondary noise cancelling mic at the top. And coming to the right side, as I said, it has a power button or fingerprint scanner. This power button works as a fingerprint scanner. And coming to the bottom, you have the 3.5 mm headphone jack, noise cancellation mic and Type-C port for charging, and speakers. And coming to the left side, you have the volume rockers up and down and the SIM tray. Let's open the SIM tray. This is a hybrid SIM slot. You can use either two SIM cards or you can use one SIM card and one memory card. You can expand up to 256 GB. And coming to the back, it has a triple camera setup. One is the main camera, which is 64 megapixel. One is the ultra wide camera, which is 8 megapixel, and one is a macro camera, which is 2 megapixel, and the flash. And you can see that it has a camera bump, if you can see properly. And the back of the Realme 9 Pro is polycarbonate. I'm going to use this transparent case which I got with the box till I get a new case for my phone. Let's see how it looks. This is how the case looks on Realme 9 Pro. Here you can see that it doesn't provide protection to the camera lens. If you keep your phone upside down, the lens will attract scratches. So it is advisable to buy a good quality case with razor lips to protect the lens. The bottom of the case looks like this. So that's it guys. Hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.